The topic of today's video is how to sell Bitcoin in Transak. So here we are on Transak, and all you need to do is go to sell crypto on the top here. And you want to click on sell as an individual or as a business if you are one, and you'll be brought to this screen. Now, what you want to do is click on sell. For some reason, it doesn't immediately take you there. And then we want to change Ethereum to BTC. Then it's going to ask us for payment. Withdrawal methods, sorry. And then we want to click over here to change our currency, unless you are using euros. And there you'll see how much USD you'll get for the BTC you want to sell. You can change the amounts. And when you're done, hit sell now. Then you can click on enter email and obviously enter your email. And then you're going to hit continue. Now, I don't know if they will ask you for KYC, but just in case, this is what the KYC process is. Just putting in all your personal details, your address, and then they're going to want, it's almost like video evidence to show that you are who you say you are and you are well, I guess, not being coerced. So unfortunately, I'll have to use the screen to show you what's next. So pretty much you will just provide all your details, so your banking details and also the wallet address from where you are going to send the BTC from. Once you're done there, they will just let you review the order, and if everything looks correct, all you're going to do is proceed and they will take care of the rest. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.